Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to turn on network discovery in Windows 11. So firstly guys, click on start, type here control panel, open control panel. Now here guys, select view as category, then click on network and internet. Now guys, here click on network and sharing center. Now here click change advanced sharing settings. So guys, you can turn on and enable, just select this option to on position. Network discovery, your PC can find and be found by other devices on the network. So make it on. File and printer sharing, you can turn on and allow other on the network to access shared files and printers on this device. So make it on. So this is the option for public network and private network. You can turn on network discovery and file and printer sharing you can turn on. So like this guys, you can turn on network discovery in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.